Whenever the human species hear about sci-fi, they automatically have thoughts about time travel, space, cosmos, or maybe there's more to it. What if another universe exists, just like ours, or maybe a multiverse? A multiverse is a hypothetical group of multiple universes. Together, these universes comprise of everything that exists, the entirety of space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. Just imagine, like there's someone just like you sitting in the same home, same room as you watching this short film, just like you are doing it right now, but someone far, far away in another universe. Still thinking? Now listen to this. Shri Bhagwan Vachah Pashya me partha rupani Shatushatha sahastasha Nana vidhani devyani Nana varnakriti cha. Even the concept of multiverse lies inside the Bhagavad Gita. The great supreme power believes in the various universes and its existence. So, do you believe it in too? Now, imagine a scenario where the humans become so self-centered and selfish that they try to steal their own identity. They crush themselves to such a low level that they cannot even recognize themselves.
I feel a kind of vertigo that makes me shake afterwards. Physics, my first and my second families, my philosophy degree had all failed to help me answer that question. Now I keep wondering if I am one of an infinite number of Alices in those multiple universes. A quantum mess up, which is someone who messes up in every one of those universes, but in different ways. So in another universe, there might just be another you who wonders if the multiverse theory is true.
Thank you. Thank you so much for saving my life. Thank you, man.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
Aren't you injured?
No, I'm not injured. Wait a second, excuse me. What were you saying? Can you just repeat? Your voice. What's wrong with your voice? Just look at me. Just look here. Can you just remove those glasses? Oh, those eyes. I've seen them somewhere. 1 second. They exactly look like mine. Just tell me, who are you? I'm gonna call the police now.
I am you from the future.
Oh no.
Relax.
Wait, तुम कह रहे हो कि तुम फ्यूचर से हो एंड टाइम ट्रेवल पॉसिबल है? यू मस्ट बी किडिंग मी, राइट? इसकी ज़रूर कोई ना कोई और एक्सप्लेनेशन होगी, क्योंकि टाइम ट्रेवल इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर नाउ. जस्ट प्रूव इट टू मी.
Proof. अब तो तुम्हें समझ आ गया ना?
अब आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता क्या सच है क्या झूठ.
ओ प्लीज, यू आर अ फिजिसिस्ट और तुम मुझे ये कह रहे हो कि टाइम ट्रेवल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
Okay, if you are from my future, just tell me something about my future.
डॉक्टर संजय, डॉक्टर संजय, डोंट बी सो चाइल्डिश. जितने फिजिक्स के लॉज मुझे पता है उतने लॉज तुम्हें भी पता है. एंड यू नो वेल आई कांट ब्रेक देम. और इन सब में हम एक मेन पार्ट बोल रहे हैं. मेरे यहाँ आने का मकसद, आई एम हियर टू save my past for my better present. Let's skip to the main part. I don't have much time.
ओके.
तुम आज अपनी वाइफ के साथ एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाने वाले हो, राइट?
या राइट.
आज तुम लोग जब जा रहे हो, तुम दोनों का एक एक्सीडेंट होगा.
वेट, एक्सीडेंट?
And your wife is going to die. Yes. That pain would be unbearable. That will destroy your both professional and your personal life. That will eat you from inside.
माई वाइफ, मैं उसे मरते हुए नहीं देख सकता. जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट टू डू. आई लव हर सो मच.
It is very simple. Just do as I say. तुम आज शाम कॉन्फ्रेंस में अकेले जाने वाले हो. And you will take an alternative path. It is that simple. Okay.
बट वेट, मेरी रिसर्च का क्या होगा? एंड व्हाट अबाउट माई
I
फ्यूचर?
told you I don't have much time. Please try to understand. I gotta go. I just hope for the best and wish you luck. Goodbye.
But why can't I come to the conference, Sanjay? You know, I was so excited for this.
I know, but I told you earlier, you can't come. Please try to understand.
Just take me with you.
You know, na, this conference is so important to me.
I know, and that's why I want to come with you.
Just agree with me. You know, I love you a lot.
I know, Sanjay, and you know I love you too. Just me back.
Thank you.
But Sanjay, just come back soon, Sanjay. I will wait for you. Best of
Yeah.
luck.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Sanjay, what happened? Did you forget something?
No, I just received a call. The conference is postponed.
Postponed? That's strange. But okay, that's fine.